In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly the #1 digital product you need to sell right now on Etsy that can generate for you consistent sales and actually get you that best sellers badge. I'm going to share that all with you coming up next. And if you are new here, my friends, my name is Jade. On this channel, I do everything from how-to videos and step-by-step guides, teaching you exactly how to create and sell your own digital products online. And on this channel, I have a community of beginners just like you who are learning from step-by-step how to create passive income online. And so if you like content like this, consider subscribing to my channel. And at any time in today's video, you're getting value or encouragement, let me know by leaving a like on today's video. But today is truly all about you setting up your Etsy shop for success. And if you are new to my channel, I teach you guys about the power of creating a digital product. And I believe digital products are probably the best form of products you can create that can help you generate a passive income online in the e-com space if you are a beginner. You know, there's so many things you can sell online with print-on-demand products, or maybe like with mugs, t-shirts, hats, and all those type of things, digital wall art designs that you probably print yourself at home or maybe through a particular print partner. And I am a firm believer that, you know, print-on-demand products sell really, really well. I believe that has a huge opportunity for you to make a lot of money this Christmas season. But one of the things that is a downside about selling a physical product is that you don't get as much money back in your transaction as you would a digital product. And what I mean by that is people at times when they flash their numbers on screen and share with you how much money they made in the fourth quarter season, they're not literally showing you the realistic number of how much money actually came to them in their bank account. And it's because if you're selling a physical product, it's going to cost you physical dollars, right, to actually make that product yourself, or have a print partner release that product for you if you created your design using Canva. And so again, you might be able to sell a shirt online for 20 bucks, but if you're using Printful and you're using a particular type of shirt, then it might cost you as much as $13 to actually have that particular product made. And that's a great way to make passive income because again, you don't have to hold inventory or buy those things in bulk. But one of the reasons why I am a firm believer of selling digital products is that because you don't have to worry about the cost of inventory. You don't have to worry about the cost of shippings, and you don't have to worry about the fear of returns or you getting flagged because your product didn't get to that specific location, especially during the Christmas time. And again, I believe, again, that there's a lot of money to be made in print on demand. Again, I'm doing print on demand right now in my own separate Etsy shops, but I'm also utilizing the power of digital products. And I believe, and just my experience, that digital products are not only easy to make, but they're probably the most enjoyable way to make a passive income online with Etsy. And the reason for that is I don't have to spend money on a physical item. So if you're selling physical products like with print on demand, you have to take into account how much money it's going to actually cost you to get that product manufactured. However, with digital products, you are able to create that one time, and it has the potential of making money for you multiple times without the cost of creating that product over and over and over again. So this is how you are able to really scale any business like an Etsy shop in the fourth quarter season, is because you are able to launch different digital products that make you 100% of the revenue every time you make that transaction. So I think about it like this, right? If you're spending hours creating digital products, if you're creating hours with physical products, and both those digital products and physical products are able to get you 300 sales in a month, you actually make more money, right? If both products are priced the same, you are actually able to make more of that money with your digital products because, again, you are getting 100% of that money back into your product. Again, if both products are priced at $25 or 20 bucks here for the digital products and 20 bucks there for the physical products, again, you are getting 100% of that $20, of course, minus fees and all those type of things with Etsy. But you are able to get a higher return value in regards to that digital product as opposed to you using print on demand and shipping out a physical product. And not only are you able to get more in return with your digital product, right? You have the same work, the same labor, the same strategy, the same time, effort, and energy it took for you to create that physical product, the same energy you can create that digital product, but it gives you a higher return in the end. One of the things I love about selling digital products online with Etsy is that the customer get it instantly, right? The moment they check out with me, they get the product instantly, as opposed to selling a physical product, especially during the Christmas season and the fourth quarter season. Sometimes shipping get delayed and you have no power as an Etsy seller about how fast that particular product can get to that particular buyer. But what we know about digital products is that the person get it instantly. That's what we call an instant download. And if you create a digital product that is in line with the holiday season and that product is put in front of the right person, you are able to get just as much sales, but also a greater amount of revenue in your pocket with digital products as opposed to physical products. And one of the best ways to create a digital product that has the potential to launch your Etsy shop into success is by creating a digital product around the Christmas season. And this is one of the first products I have created that really launched my Etsy shop into success, and actually how I got my first bestseller before I even knew what a bestseller was as a beginner seller on Etsy. And it's all about creating digital Christmas invitations. So you and I have a huge opportunity in this Christmas season in 2021 because a lot of people are getting together for the first time in a long time this Christmas season. And so I can expect there to be a lot of family gatherings, a lot of Christmas gatherings for families who haven't seen each other in maybe a year or two, and they want to have a digital invite they can send to their family members and then gather as one big family. So as you can see, there's a lot of money to be made here. Again, I do believe that you can make a lot of money with print on demand products. However, I believe that there's a market that is untapped and untouched in regards to creating digital products. And more specifically, right now, you can create digital invitation in the Christmas season where you can make a lot of money passively when it comes down to actually making that transaction, and you are able to get a lot more revenue in return as opposed to creating a physical product. So if you want to learn how to create these digital invitations, check out my link in my description box below. I guide you through exactly my step-by-steps of how to create a digital invitation just like this, and actually how to get your first sale online with Etsy. So again, if you guys want to check that out, then look at my description box below of helpful tips and strategies to help you go faster and further with selling on Etsy. So as always, my friends, that is the end of today's video. If that was in any way helpful or encouraging, let me know by leaving a like on today's video. And if you want to see more content like this, I release new videos every single week teaching you exactly how to create and sell your digital products online, and then begin to create passive income streams that will actually pay you in your sleep. So if you want to join this amazing community of beginners, make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. But as always, my friends, I will see you in the next video.